Hi, this is our 1956 Royal Quiet Deluxe in charcoal gray. I'll start by going over some of the cosmetic issues. There aren't many. It's in pretty good shape, but it does have a few minor flaws. The first noticeable one's up here on the scale. There's a little bit of paint missing right there in the middle, and just a couple little minor spots. Down here, there's a little chip right there. In the paint, there's a little bit of discoloration in a few spots, but those aren't actually paint chunks missing. They're just some discoloration. Then down here along the bottom edge, which is really common, and on this other side as well, there's a couple chips missing in these areas right here, and also on the corner right here, and some spots in the back around where you put the machine into the case, which is pretty normal. Go over some of the functionality from the back to the front. Rabbit ears work correctly. Paper width slide works well. Magic margins, this thing flips back. Here you have your tabs. Those all set and slide that the way they should. Magic margins slide into place the way they should. Also, interesting feature. Paper return lever and spacing works correctly. Single, double, and triple. Paper bale flips up correctly. Paper bale release is good. Plating's in good shape, no cracks or flat spots. Rolls and clicks as it should. Carriage glides smoothly in both directions. Have that all lubed up and everything. Bell works correctly. There's a carriage lock over here that works the way it should as well. Moving down a little further, here's the little lid release. Keys all sit nice and smooth or evenly, and everything's cleaned up there. The ribbon swap works well in both directions. Alright, keys are all very legible, no problems there. You can read everything, they're all cleaned up and everything. Backspace works correctly, spacebar works correctly, tab works as it should, margin release works well, caps and caps lock work correctly. So, we will do a little typing now. Remember, this typewriter is an Elite typeface. It's 12 characters per inch, so it's smaller than Pica, which is 10 per inch. The type's a little smaller on this guy. So, we'll start with black here. Alright, here we go. Alright, as you can see, it's quite small. That's what Elite looks like. Switch to red. Alright, there you have it. All the numbers work correctly. Characters. Backspace works. Oh yeah, this machine's in really good shape. Works very nicely. See, underside real quick. So the feet are in good shape. Everything's very clean mechanically under here. And yeah, feet are always an issue you have to look for. And a case. Case has a little minor discoloration, but everything works very smoothly as it should. There's a couple different spots of discoloration down here. I was not able to remove that, but it's not a big deal. The rubber feet are all intact, which doesn't happen every day. On the inside, the mechanisms that hold the machine in place are all intact and work correctly. Put the machine into the case real quick. Slides in the back just like the yellow one. Down, just lock in place, and that's it. And then you lock the carriage into place, and it shuts, just like that. Alright, that is our 1956 charcoal gray Royal Quiet Deluxe. Thank you.